Hello everyone. I wanted to share an update on how everything is coming along with my house because this is a project that's been very real, very hands-on, and very much a learning experience. So the reno progress, we've completed all the major renovation work, the electric, the plumbing, and all of the sheetrock that needed to be removed, we replaced. This is the kitchen. Everything's been mudded, and right now we're in that between stage. Not quite finished, but finally starting to see the vision take shape. What's left is sanding, final prep, and painting. And we decided to see how much of the painting we could do ourselves. As you can see, this is the dining room, and it's a work in progress. Once we realized that the walls still had imperfections, I had put navy blue paint, but the flaws were really noticeable. So we added more mud, and that didn't look good. So we sanded it, and then I applied another coat of primer. I don't know. What do you guys think? Is the second coat of paint going to cover this, or the third coat of paint? Or please leave in the comments what you think, if this primer was done properly or not. See, the bottom looks fine. It's Creamy by Sherwin-Williams, but the top I'm having a problem with because the previous owner had put a lot of picture frames and things. So let me know in the comments what you think, how we're doing. Thank you, and see you next time.